morning, traders, and to those that are on buy now, pay later. This is a daily chart on the Google. This is an update that I'm giving the ones that are buying the put options to go to a strike price. You're making money. Once it hits a strike price, you get paid full. But you can trade Google calls or puts, and you can make money on buy now, pay later with the Google trend. Should you take that trend and that opportunity today, you get paid very handsomely. That we know. That's why we have the program. At least you're not sitting on the sideline. And you don't have to have no credit. If you believe that Google goes down, then you make your bet that it goes down and then you get paid. And you get paid 5 to 1. That's better than a retail account. You don't have to have an account set up. You don't have to have any of that. You just have to go with the trend. I'll be happy to help you with your trends. They're on the market maker list. Buy now, pay later. You can bet going up and you can bet going down. That's the Google update. Buy now, pay later, call. Don't miss that program.